Is this time to faint? Ah, fuck! I'll have to find a hospital here. How do I hold her and drive? Oh, Ketty. Come here, let me hold you, woman. Wake up, Ketty, for the love of God.
This car is so good that you don't even feel the holes in the road. I need to be careful because since I can't feel the holes, I could go through a bottom here and get screwed. Oh, no, 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 no!
So many places to deliver. The boss tells me to come to this end of the world ... If I fall from here, he will see. Look at the height of this business. Mercy. No, no, no.
On these roads, you can't even accelerate much.
Cool cart, ha 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 ha. Oh my god. I need to be careful not to fall like that guy. Oh shit.
Man, I have a bad feeling.
It's your impression, Jorge.